And your coming here, it's truly a reflection of the many relationships which we've started with your predecessors, also with King Sobhuza, because the relationship started many, many years. I remember the visit of President Samora Machel when he came to visit King Sobhuza, eHLANE. At that time, I was somewhere there in the corner, but I was able to see. So when I also assumed the duties, I remember when President Samora came for my coronation, he reminded me of that visit when he came for King Sobhuza, that he assured King Sobhuza that from now on he is Eswati, and that he even told us that his mother is Ndwandwe. And I'm sure you are aware that King Sobhuza's mother too is Ndwandwe. So they are both coming from the Ndwandwes. We are going to work together. We want to assure you, Excellency, that from our side, Eswatini, you can always rest assured that we will be there. We will support you.